Welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of social media to uncover how you can find friends on Snapchat using Instagram profiles. Connecting with friends has never been easier. Snapchat and Instagram are two of the most popular platforms for communication today. Whether you're sharing moments or creating memories, both apps have the tools to help you stay close to your friends. Now, let's get into the steps to discover your friends on Snapchat using their Instagram profiles. It's pretty straightforward. First, check their Instagram bio. Many users include their Snapchat usernames right there for easy access. Next, look through their Instagram posts or stories. Users often share their Snapchat codes or usernames in creative ways. Don't hesitate to engage. Simply ask your friends on Instagram for their Snapchat. Most will be happy to share. If you have mutual friends, check their accounts as well. This can lead you directly to new Snapchat friends. Always be mindful of privacy settings on both platforms. Make sure that your friends are comfortable sharing their information. In conclusion, finding friends on Snapchat through Instagram can be a fun and easy process. So go ahead, use these tips to connect with your friends on both platforms.